Hi there. I want to talk today about creating a custom tool within Magic School. We're going to take a look at text leveling again, but we're going to add some features to the output that match some of the more specialized features that you get in tools like Diffit. The text leveler in Magic School right now just provides a leveled version of the text that you're starting with. So if you wanted to level it for whatever grade level, it does that very well. In Diffit, that tool will create different outputs that give you more to work with. And in this case, we're going to try and replicate some of those features, but also show you how you can go in and customize any tool within Magic School to meet the needs of you and your students at any given time. Let's jump in. So I'm going to scroll down to create a custom tool. That's going to ask me what tool I want to customize. In this case, I'm going to scroll down to my text leveler, and here you can pre-select a grade level if you always want it to. We're going to add a file that I've selected already. In this case, I have a pre-selected nonfiction piece about Zambia. Now, as the text leveler stands now, it is just going to take your text and simplify it to match the level of the grade level that you're looking for. It is not going to do anything else. It's not going to attach any additional information or supplemental activities. But in this case, I want some supplemental activities. I want some of the output that I can see in other tools. So I want to see some vocabulary. I want to see some multiple choice questions, some open-ended questions, and some suggestions for me on how to incorporate this into a lesson. So I want to give those instructions to this chatbot. I want to tell it, change your output to match what I need. And in this case, I'm going to put in those instructions right here. So here's where we put in the instructions for the customization. I'm going to say include a quick summary, key vocabulary, words with definitions, and questions to help students think about the text, from multiple choice to deeper reflection. Include additional information like tips, activities, and ideas to connect the text to other subjects. I can also click Get Help with Prompt, and AI will generate additional information or make your suggestions clearer. I highly recommend using this just for clarification of your information. You might get something that you didn't think of before. I'm just going to click Next for this. I'm going to select 4th grade. And I'm going to generate. Now here it's generating the 4th grade level text. Creates a summary, key vocabulary terms from the article, some questions for reflection, and tips and activities for you as a teacher. I can do an export. I can export this to Google Docs, or I can print this out, depending on how I want to use it. In this case, I'm going to save this. What we're doing right now is creating a custom tool. And so now your text leveler will show up as a custom tool. It'll say text leveler, and there'll be a custom indicator here. So the next time that you go to use this tool, it will incorporate those additional features that you've put into this. So let's pretend we're going in for the first time. Let's select a different PDF. And here we're just going to paste in a biography of Lionel Messi. I'm going to change this to 4th grade. I'm going to generate. Now, based upon my original instructions, my customization instructions, it's going to level the text into a 4th grade level, but then it's also going to include a summary, key vocab, tips for educators, activity ideas, and some questions for comprehension for students. It just gives you an extra level within this tool, but it also ensures that the next time you go to this tool, you're able to get the same output that you have created previously. You can do this with any of the tools in Magic School. So if there's something in the output of Magic School that you say, wow, this is great, but I wish it could do a little bit more, or I wish part of the output gave me this, you can go into Custom Tool, select the tool that you were using, select the tool that you want the additional information from, and prompt it to give you just that. And you can literally put in words what you're looking to get, and then click Help with my prompt, and it will give you a succinct way to ask for that. Then you save that as a custom tool, and you can come back to it at any point and get that same output that has been modified to meet your needs. And then you can use it over and over again. You can share it with others, and it's your own custom tool with information that you're looking for. Any questions? Please give me a holler.